Hello and welcome back. We take an example from the topic differentiation. The question is find dy by dx where y is equal to x square minus 5 into 3x square plus 1. Now before we take the derivatives, now here it is possible to multiply the two brackets. So first we perform the multiplication and then we obtain the derivative. So if we just multiply the brackets, now x square times 3x square, that becomes 3x raised to 4. X square times 1, so that is x square. Now we multiply by minus 5. Minus 5 into 3x square. So that gives us minus 15x square, and minus 5 times 1, that gives us minus 5. So we have y equal to 3 times x raised to 4. Now x square minus 15x square, that is minus 14x square minus 5. And now we differentiate with respect to x. So we obtain dy by dx is equal to 3 times derivative of x raised to 4 minus 14 times derivative of x square minus, now 5 is a constant function, so we write derivative of 5. So the next step is we obtain 3 times derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube minus 14 times derivative of x square is 2x minus, now derivative of constant is 0. So dy by dx is, now 3 fours is 12x cube minus 14 twos so that gives us 28x. So this is the value for dy by dx.
Like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.